Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Here in the UK, garage is open, weather is dry, protection is keeping an eye on things, aren't you? Good lad. Right, first major upgrade, proper upgrade that's happening on the bike. So let's see what, I'll tell you what I got. Look at these, some proper brakes, some Brembo Stylemas from a Panigale V4. Speaking to a few guys online, Roberto Rossi has got them on his HyperMotard from down south, a couple of guys on Instagram that I've got running on. I've got some replacement pads because the pads from here don't fit. So let's see how this gets on. I'll try and have a go myself, but then I have got my mate on standby. I've got the two calipers. I've got two sets of pads in there. Just gonna weigh this and see what this comes up as. 1.7 kilos for the new stuff. So I'll obviously weigh the old stuff when it goes on. For all your motorbiking needs, contact Motorcycle Wizards. These guys are online. They've just got this super-sized van. They come out to you, pick your bike up, do the work, drop it back off, or as in this case, they can actually come and work on your bike in your own vicinity if they've got time, capacity, and space to do it. So yeah, get in touch with them, guys. Absolutely. I've got the main boys here: the wizard, the geezer, the gangster, with his sage shades on, making use of this rare British sunshine that we got. We've got some titanium caliper bolts. Got the caliper. Fingers crossed this man's going to have wizard hands to flip all the pipes over. That's the plan anyway. Eventually. So this is just bringing all the fluid through?
Yeah. So I can put no fluid. Instead of Italian's finest
Olive oil.
Olive oil.
So you drain most of it out, then when you take it off, there shouldn't be...
Well, there's always going to be...
But it ain't going to be a massive river because of gravity and all that stuff. Got it.
I hear that.
Oh, got it. See, yeah, dripping. Ain't you supposed to be wearing gloves, mate? Ain't like bad for your hands?
Asbestos fingers.
It's got Kevlar hands, mate.
It wasn't too bad, really, was it? Apart from just the mess.
It's
It's just the mess and the shit.
It's just so much mess, dude. Fucking juicy, the man, dude.
Hey, they do look a bit. I thought look a bit chunkier than the other ones, don't they?
Yeah. The problem is the it's the same as we was having this discussion about a V4 the other day. All the bolts that for the rear sets and stuff on V4S is 26 grams worth of bolt, and you put an Allen key by them, and it just rounds them off.
Oh, yeah, it's because of the aluminium and soft, are they?
So shit.
Till 4.
So I'm taking my blade,
Yeah.
and it's like, oh, I'm gonna. And it just won't worth it really.
What's the sort of bedding in process for new brakes? Is it like
From here up to Muckclowes Hill.
That's that short, that quick?
Yeah. Especially on these.
Yeah. We've gone for these Street Performance SBS.
Yeah, because this is what.
So those two together are nearly 2.4 kilos. So that's the everything. And when I measured that, everything was 1.7. Not over half a kilo. 0.6 kilos.
Imagine the wheelies now then.
Because the front end's a bit lighter now. Free wheelie aid by changing your brake calipers. Million times better. Wow. Look how clear that is. Ooh.
Get rid of that synthetic shit that's in there. It's sat in there from factory.
That's the point, isn't it? Yeah, so look at the colour of that. Obviously, I know the clutch one's different, but even the clutch one just looks cloudy.
You're on that lever then, Ed.
Yeah.
Go on, pump
Really?
away.
So that's got to keep going until the fluid starts coming through.
So there's no air. But if you do it this side, it drags the air from that caliper
Sucks it
up
down.
and over. So technically, all 4 nipples need doing, but
4 nipples actually the one on the back as well. Really? Why has this one got 2 and the other one just had the 1?
because it's a monoblock. So what it'll end up is air will sit up here. You can bleed it to your heart's content, and air will always sit up on the top here. That's why they give you 2 nipples to do.
Get some arm pumps in, mate. You need an operation.
Oh, yeah.
Can you claim that on through Mark?
Yeah.
Does he get that, Mark? Does he get any benefits?
Fucking stress of a no bike, man. Okay, stop it.
Hold on.
This is doing it on the master cylinder as well.
Mm.
So is it down there, then up master cylinder, back down again? So like up and down.
I'll pull it into the bar and do it one more time. There, do.
Bleed it. Do it, pump it down. All the air's out of it.
You know you're in good hands when you've got Olins on your back leg.
Yeah.
Pump away, Ed.
Does it go to that one first then? So it will get the fluid will go to the back one first.
Massive air,
Yeah, I
this
can
one
see
has
it.
this now. Hold it down.
Hold it.
It's fucking dirty, this job alive, man. Decent fork oil. No matter how hard you try, it goes everything in your ear, between your toes and everything.
Done, tidied up. Lever feels nice. Fresh fluid is in. Winner. Look at that, guys. Finished article. Brembo Stylemas HyperMotard. That's the one side. Literally, as you saw in the video, straight swap. Nice and simple. And then that's the other side. Back in the garage, parked up, all cleaned up. Yeah, that's it now. Front end looks proper banging. Happy with that. Thank you very much, Motorcycle Wizards. Hit them up for all your motorcycle needs.